Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the first Bella box of the year. Woo! I'm so excited to see what we got in this box. It's a brand new year for Bella box, so I'm really excited to see what we are going to get in this month's box to kick off the year. So let's jump into it. So as always, the box is in the classic blue polka dot Bella box. Gotta get through that paper. And the card on top says all about new. New year, everything's new for us, right? At least for the first few days, and then we jump back into old habits. I don't know if that's just me. So yeah, the card tells us everything we're gonna get, so I can't wait to see what's in here. The first thing in the box is a black meteor shower scrub, I'm assuming. It says, after an intergalactic bath time experience that will transform you to a galaxy far, far away, look no further than Black's incredible new meteor shower scrub. Not only does this scrub contain activated charcoal to detoxify your skin, but it also includes actual meteor dust that will leave you supple with iridescent skin that is out of this world. I'm slightly skeptical, but I am very keen to give it a try. This is just a sample size of 50 grams, but the full size of 200 grams retails for $24.95 at Priceline and the Black website. So that looks fun. Although I don't know if I want to be glowing that much all over the body every day, but I'm excited to see whether or not it actually works. That's actually a fun product. The next product I'm not going to be able to use, but it is a 1000 Hour Instant Brows Eyebrow Mascara, and it is for light blonde. So I have darker brows than my blonde hair, so just naturally. So I don't know if I'll be able to use this one. I might be able to pass it on to my mum. She's quite blonde, not just in the eyebrows. So maybe should get some use out of it. Wish I hadn't gotten medium brown. But yeah, all clear. But this is full size, I'm assuming, and it is available at the 1000 Hour website for $9.99. So I wish I could try that out, but I don't have blonde eyebrows. Like, my eyebrows are darker, so I really wish I could try it. Like, it would just be stupid of me to open the packet, break the seal on it, and just use it once and then throw it away, whereas someone else could get some use out of it. So I might have to pass that on to someone who has blonde eyebrows. The next product is just some sachet samples from Palmolive, their body moisturizers. Yeah, that's just the bonus for the month. We usually get bonus sachets, so that's fun to have. The next one is a Cabtree and Evelyn hand therapy. We seem to get a lot of hand creams. I'm not a big hand cream user. I tend to have naturally beautiful hands, so I'll put this in the stash of all the other hand creams. But yeah, it's if you are interested, it's the full size. Even though this is a sample, the full size is $30 available at David Jones or the website for the Cabtree and Evelyn brand. But yeah, it's made out of goat milk. The next thing in here is a charcoal sheet mask. I think it's to, match the whole meteor shower thing. But I will happily take a sheet mask. Got a whole stack of them. I will use it eventually. But yeah, it's from Essenza Fuss Free Naturals. Relax and rejuvenate your skin with fuss-free face mask that is simple to use and easy to remove. Paraben and sulfate free, this sheet mask is packed with naturally active ingredients designed to leave your skin feeling smooth, clear and hydrated. You will receive one of the following sheet masks. I got activated charcoal and hyaluronic acid. for pore purifying and brightening. They're available at Good Price Pharmacy and the Ezuvenza website. I don't know. I'll use it. And the last thing in the box is probably the most exciting product, and it is a lipstick from Karen Morrell. It also came with a gift card for Priceline for $5 off any Karen Morrell lipstick. So if you liked it and you wanted to get another shade, you got $5 off, so that's cool. I got the shade Violet Mousse. You'd think you'd be sliding that box open. Oh, there's a sticker. Yes, you do slide it open. I think I received a Karen Morrell lipstick like sometime last year, and it was just so nude. I looked like I had concealer lips. But this one is definitely more a shade that I would wear. So that's the shade there. Nice and pretty. I will definitely use this one soon. I am very excited about this. I love it when we get makeup in the box. And a bit about Karen Morrell lipsticks. 2018 is all about new, so naturally a new lipstick is a no-brainer. This beautiful long-lasting lip colour by a New Zealand brand, Karen Morrell, is made with all natural nourishing ingredients for a creamy smooth application and all-day wear. And of course a pop of colour from our stylish Bella Babes. You will receive, and then they list the colours, it is $30 and is available at KarenMorrell.com, and I'm assuming now at Priceline because otherwise that would be useless. So yeah, that is cool. It was definitely an interesting box this month. Some new products that I can't wait to try. Some products I might put aside, and some products I'm definitely not going to be able to try. But that's the fun of Bella Box. You don't know what you're going to get. It's a box of surprise, and you get to try a bunch of new products you've never heard of. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys. Whoopsie.